Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday and thank you so much for tuning in tonight. Tonight I think I had this on my Instagram and I said that I would swatch it in a video to kind of give a little live feed of what it looks like because the picture in Instagram was a little I felt it was a little snowy. I don't know. I just didn't like it. So I figured I would just do a quick video and show you guys this swatching of the Nagini liquid lip color from LA Splash, and this is like the matte, extremely matte color, and this is the color called Nagini. And Nagini, if you guys don't know, is the snake from Harry Potter. It is also, what the hell is his name? Voldemort's Horcrux. She was doomed to transform into a snake until she couldn't transform anymore. So you guys have also seen her in the movie The Crimes of Grindelwald, if you went to go and see the movie, which I recommend that you do go see it. It's on DVD now, Redbox, whatever. It's $1 something. Why not try something new if you've never seen it? So anyway, I got this green because I had been looking everywhere for a really nice green lipstick for me, for my shade. And I know that we're kind of past St. Patrick's Day, but I have been looking for a green lipstick for a very, 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 very long time, and I never found anything. I never found anything that I really liked because I wanted like an emerald type of green, like I don't have anything here, but like this kind of green, so this is what I was looking for, and just kind of show you the vial here. It's an interesting black ombre vial, and it has LA Splash, red letters. I like this top. It's like a plastic, and then it's got this red jewel in the middle of it. So, kudos on the packaging. I love if you'll get to know me, and I'm actually going to make a about me video when I get a chance. I realized I never even made one of those. But if it's novel in any kind of way, I love it. I love novel tea type of things, like 8 balls and, things like that. Purses shaped like ducks and hearts and stuff like that. So I love things like that, whereas I don't really carry it everywhere I go or things like that. I really do. I enjoy them, just the little things in life. Why not? So without further ado, I'm going to put this on. I've already done my face. I'm not doing anything else with this face tonight. I actually did a video earlier this evening, and, I kind of figured, maybe darken up the makeup a bit and go for a Nagini to kind of show you guys what it looks like. So I'm pretty happy about that. So this is just a quick video to show you guys what it looks like. Again, and I'm actually going to start putting this at the bottom of my videos. I'm not paid for any of this. I just like makeup. I am not a makeup artist. I just like makeup, so this is the actual, look at this. This is crazy green. This is like grass type green. So, whoa! Yes. All right. Oh. So I had this on, and I had this on earlier, and I am emphatically in love with this color. I love makeup and lipstick of just any color. It's not just red lipstick, you know, although I prefer red lipstick, but this green is beautiful. I know that I'll be wearing this out a whole hell of a lot. If I didn't like it, I'd tell you. Trust, I tell you, if it wasn't for me or if I needed to alter it in any kind of way, you know, to kind of make it suit me a little more. But I do like the outcome on it. Maybe not as dark on the eye makeup with it, because I don't like deep or dark colors with dark lipsticks. You know, because of my skin tone, I don't think that that really complements me very well. But other than that, it's still drying. But this is a very rich and matte color, which another thing I like. I love matte colors. I don't really like shiny type lipsticks. I don't think I have the lips to carry that. But this is very nice. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a quick swatching, just a quick, you know, hey, look what I got, look what I found type of thing. So yeah, I think that, oh, it goes with my hair too. This is definitely out at night. I could definitely see me walking around at night with this on out, you know, doing my own thing. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, hit a like and subscribe. And leave a comment. You know, I'm always available to talk to. I'm very much happy to swatch and take any kind of, you know, suggestions, feedback, anything that anybody would have for me. I really do appreciate everyone for being, you know, so unbelievably kind and tuning into my channel. So thank you so much. Oh, so thank you very much again for tuning in tonight. This is Damaris Everyday, and enjoy.